Been 3 months that I've been making YouTube videos and it has taught me so many things. But since it's been 3 months, I thought today's video I'm going to talk about the three most important things I learned because of doing YouTube. And I think these three things will help you no matter what you're doing, whether it's YouTube or anything else. So without wasting any more time, get your coffee and let's count down the third episode of Coffee Script. Ever since I started making these videos, I not only had to learn to be comfortable on a camera, but also I had to be comfortable knowing the fact that other people are watching. I wanted to start this YouTube channel for a long time, but I never did because I always had the thought of what will people say about me. For anyone out there that wants to try or do something and you're worried about what other people will think, what society will think, let me tell you one thing. To be honest, they don't care. Everybody has their own life to live, and most of it is just in your head that you're thinking that they are thinking that way. How long can they do that? They're not going to be doing that for the rest of your life. They will do it for a short period of time and then just move on. So do what you want to do what would make you happy. Just go out and do it. Don't think about what others would think. If you really want to do it and it would make you happy, then go ahead and do it. Ever since I was a little kid, I always enjoyed the performing arts. May it be music, may it be acting, writing plays, you name it. I just enjoyed it. And now that I started this channel, I realized that I enjoy the process of recording, editing, this whole process of making these videos. So my point is, you will never know if you like something or enjoy it unless you try it. Especially the younger people. Now's the time for us to try different things, to find things we love, to explore our options, to explore our passions. I want to start the last point with an amazing quote. If you follow the crowd, you will likely get lost. This is so relevant to today's world because once something becomes cool or trendy, everybody will rush to do that. And then once that is not trendy anymore and something else comes along, that entire crowd will go running after that. Just take these Instagram reels for example. Once one reel gets viral, everybody tries to create the same reel again and again, and that's all you're fed in your feed. And like, it's so sickening. It becomes to the point that you just feel like breaking your phone every time you see those reels or you hear that music. So this principle applies not only to content but anything you do. Don't be afraid to be true to yourself, even if that self is different from the norms defined by society. Just see any of the greatest people in the world. None of them got to where they are by doing things that everybody else is doing or by just going along with the crowd. At the end of the day, be true to yourself. If you're a content creator, make content that you truly enjoy making instead of making content that is mainstream. When you make content that you truly love and enjoy making, that comes across to your viewers and it creates a deep emotional connection with your viewers, which is something that every content creator should aim for. I started the last point with a quote and I want to end with a quote that just came to my mind. Don't be the guy that follows the crowd. Instead, be the guy the crowd follows.